Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log in to Solo Leveling Arise. If you are looking to jump into the world of Solo Leveling Arise, then first of all download and install the Solo Leveling Arise game on your device and launch it open. Wait for the game to load and you'll soon land in this link account page. From the link account options, go ahead and select any one login methods. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple, email, or play as a guest by tapping sign in as guest option. I'm just gonna tap on sign in with email option over here. If you do the same, you'll be asked to enter your email on the next pop-up. Go ahead and enter a valid email address you'd like to sign in with. If you are playing Solo Leveling for the first time and if you haven't signed up with email yet, you can tap on sign up with email option and follow through the registration process. To sign in with your existing email, type in your email and the password associated with your account. Finally, after filling in your details, click the sign in button. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the reset password button. Similarly, you can also recover your forgotten email if you need. After tapping on sign in, you'll need to go ahead and download other necessary data as well. Follow through the on-screen instructions and you'll then be able to play the game right away now that you've logged in. And that's how you successfully log into Solo Leveling Arise using your smartphone or your tablet. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.